Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop family sharing on your iPhone. Now, just open up the Settings app on your iPhone and let's get to your family sharing by tapping on your name at the very top. And now once you're into your Apple account, you'll be able to see as I scroll down is family. So let's just tap on that. Now, there are several different options to be able to stop family sharing. You can see I have a family. I'm the organizer with lots of people under me. Now, one option is to scroll down and turn off either purchase sharing or subscription sharing. Essentially, if I tap on purchase sharing, this allows other people to use my American Express payment method to be able to buy apps or make in-app purchases. So if I wanted to stop that, I can just tap on stop purchase sharing and then stop sharing. Now, essentially, they'll have to use their own card to be able to buy any subscriptions to anything. Oh, that kind of glitched it out. Let's go back in here. Now, another option you have is to tap on subscriptions here midway down, and you can also choose to stop sharing subscriptions with them. In my case, I have iCloud Plus and Apple Music. All of these are shared by me. I can scroll down to the bottom and you can see subscriptions for family as well. I can tap on that, and if you have any of these subscriptions for family, you can turn them off easily just by tapping on the subscription. And at the very bottom, it says stop sharing with the family. So essentially, you can disable purchase sharing as well as app sharing or subscription sharing. However, another option you have, let's hit back and back again, is to completely turn off all sharing, aka you're going to disable the family sharing across everything and not have a family plan with any of these people. To do that, you're going to tap on your name, in my case, Trevor, where it says you, organizer. And at the very bottom, I can hit stop using family sharing. Essentially what this means is everybody will have their own individual Apple ID account with their own subscriptions, with their own iCloud Plus, all of that stuff. I can just tap on that button and then hit stop using family sharing and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.